Fire safety and prevention involves being aware, prepared, and taking precautions to prevent fires and protect people and property. We were discussing our exit plan, especially where the fire started and where the exit road would be. I will show you the type of place where we live and where the fire started, our toilets, and we did a fire drill at home. In other scenario, I was cooking for my sister. While opening the butane stove, it suddenly exploded and caught fire. And we quickly escaped to the exit to get away from the danger. Once outside, I went to the meeting place where everyone else who was involved in the fire gathered. Afterward, we checked on each other to make sure everyone was okay and uninjured.
Ayaw na pagkatawag. Saan?
So, thank you for watching and I hope you learned something.